We got here early. It was pouring down raining. It's crazy. Pouring down raining though. Maybe out here wet. Look at the sky. It's ugly today. This thing need a wash though. Where about to go? Alright, hit me. Out here raining. Raining hard. So we are at the shop. We've been here for a minute. I don't even know why I didn't think to start recording, but it's pouring down raining. Man, it's cold as hell. We over here trying to separate these parts, wire some stuff back together, trying to come up with a decision of what I'm gonna do with this motor. If I'm gonna take it apart or what I'm gonna do. So I'm trying to see right now, man. But besides that, most definitely are looking good. We are coming along. We're trying to stay moving and keep the progress going. But like I was saying, we separating these parts. I got a buddy that's interested in buying my floorboard, so I'm about to let go of those because I'll be coming new. But yeah, besides that, we're coming along, man. I was trying to sit here and debate if I was gonna start busting this motor apart, but I think I'm gonna probably just wait just so I can have my mind made up of what I'm gonna do. But I have to separate all this stuff so I can know what I'm doing next. What's up, Ace? Hey, what's up? But yeah, we about to go get rid of these parts. And I gotta go fix this dude dirt bike so we can go ride. Yeah, that motorcycle. Ready to slide? Sliding. We're about to pull Ace bike out so we can go get his tire fixed. Ace little this thing getting started in a minute. It's got a full tank. I think it's flooded with gas. Got a flat tire. That bike tomorrow, man. So I had to just fix the Ultima. I had a bad coil pack. This car was shaking super hard. Gotta put some gas in this thing now. It was like my daily car, but it was like shaking super hard. Now I put the new coil pack models on. It's perfect. Just gotta put some gas and some oil. So it's sliding. Sagging now, saving gas again. We was already saving gas and diesel, but it's like even better. I'm about to try to go get some gas in this joint and get a wash. This thing is super dirty. Stay tuned. So what we have here is my son 50 dirt bike. If you haven't watched the previous videos, I got this for him. I was trying to get him a new one off the lot, but they had like some crazy shit going on with the fake advertisement over the internet. Then in person they added like a whole extra $2 grand or whatever. So I got to thinking, looking at my bike and how I redid it, and my original bike used to match this bike right there. So now what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna completely strip this bike, take the plastics off, take the bars off, take the motor off, take the wheels off, powder coat the frame to match my bike, order new plastics, get new stickers, make the whole bike like a complete new bike. I'm sure he won't even realize it. So that's what we're about to do. Stay tuned. So we got it all done. We finished the goal like we wanted. It's just super crazy how fast it took and how everything is really not that complicated, but I work on hardly, so it would be easier. We're gonna start right here first. We got the motor off. It was only literally that hole and this hole, and I believe that's it. Then we took the gas tank off, so we got the whole complete motor still together. Nothing leaked out nowhere. We literally could just bolt this right back on, no problems at all. And with that, we have the wheels off. The thing that made me do this in the first place is we had a flat right here. So I was like, you know what, instead of me trying to fix that, let me just go over the whole bike. So we got to get the chain off next. We're gonna powder coat this, try to get the wheels color matched, go over this motor, probably get this pipe cleaned up. Then from then, we have all the plastics off, all around. This for the motor, the shock, the bars, We're gonna get all new plastics. We're gonna even get the seat redone to match the plastics. Then we have the frame. We're gonna get this frame powder coated and clean. Everything's gonna get hit. We're gonna have this thing nice, ready to go, man. So we about to try to get this going. All the plastics. No more any of this ripped up stuff. Gotta get a new sticker for my boy, man. Well, we're about to get the seat redone. So yeah, like I was saying earlier, I originally wanted to get my son a brand new bike, but unfortunately some things came up, so we about to make this thing look new. He already loved it, but we're about to make this thing transform, literally. It's only the beginning. You see all this rust, whooped up stuff. Days are over with. But yeah, like I was saying, this is the motor. It's perfect. I literally just wanted to get the bike right for him, so I'm gonna get a nice before and after. So yeah, man, this is it. So like we're gonna get most likely I'll probably end up, I don't even know, I'm gonna spoil it, so I'm gonna wait for the colors. But anyway, we're gonna powder coat this. We're gonna get the motor powder coated, the bars, the frame's gonna be wet. We're gonna even do like the shifter, just any of the little small stuff to make it stand out and look nice and decent, just so he could look good. But yeah, I'm telling you guys, stay tuned for this, man. Y'all gonna love it. It's gonna transform this whole complete little 50. This is how I got my last color scheme, my last bike. This Hot Wheel bike. Now we're about to redo this dirt bike. Get this thing going. Show my boy. I got all the plastics off. We're gonna take these in a powder coat, that Honda piece, frame, and I'm gonna take this 2 piece and try to get that going. So let's do it. And we out here, slide to the shop. Hi Ace. Back there tuned in. But we're about to get this day going. Try to get some work done. See what happens. Just pull it up to the shop. Gotta clean up a few little things. Trying to just catch back up for today's week. For this week. And get everything going. I think I'll probably just throw this motor back on here like this. So I want to upgrade and do everything to it, but I know for a fact I'm going to go a bigger size motor, and I don't want to start powder coating shit just to take back off like I did that motor. I powder coated the heads and diamond cut them, and within like a month after that, I was ready to take the heads off and get a bigger set. So I'm gonna probably hold back on that for now. So I already know how that's gonna have me all over the place. But yeah, we're about to get all this stuff cleaned up and going. So we back at the house. I had pulled up so I could take his frame to get dropped off. I had to grab the tools and take some things off. I get a big socket to basically get this off, to twist that, and finally got the legs off. So now we got it all stripped. I'm gonna just take that little shifter off. But I was over here dealing with the chain. Usually you need a chain tool, but I know how to get these things off. So just thank God that I was able to get this chain off. So now, get this off of here, get this powder coated. I really want to get him a new chain. This one is super rusty, but still get the job done for now. But yeah, so let's keep this going. Get this part separated so we can drop them over. Got everything up in here. I just power washed to get the dirt off. I'm about to go drop this off, get this going. The piece is painted. Good. Dang, it looks good. Good. So we back at the house. I'm more happy than this dude. This frame is so wet and so clean. I just don't understand, baby. Got the bars, the frame, swing arm, and we got the shifter, all the other stuff, the engine cover. Woo! I'm more excited than he is. This is trash. We got the new plastics on the way. I'm about to throw the Ace. Relax. I'm gonna throw the legs on the frame, put the shock, put the engine back on. I still gotta go fix these wheels, so I'm gonna go and do that. Try to figure out a colorway if I can. But yeah, we're coming along, man. Got this stuff clean, dude. It's clean, fresh. Look at that. Ready to go. So I've been over here trying to get this bike back together. I got everything organized, so it's like this is more so me staying focused, not drilling over this bike. We got the motor on here. It's only like 3 main little bolts. This bolt, that one, and one more. Oh, this one for this swing arm. But got this thing looking good, man. Got the bars on. Just put the ignition on. Just wired this back up. Literally just bolted the little intake right here. So we got that. Have to make sure the fuel stay off. I literally didn't waste a drip of oil or gas doing this. That's what was so mind-blowing about it to me. So now we about to put this engine cover on right here. I wanted to get all this stuff powder coated because it was super dirty. But basically, let me shift this down. This will sit on there like that. It's gonna look nice, man. But yeah, stay tuned, man. I'm about to finish doing this. So this is how we looking. We got majority of all the parts, not everything, but we got some of the parts on there. Got the engine cover, got the frame. Some of this stuff is still dirty. I gotta power wash it, but just wanna bolt it up, then we're gonna give it a good little wash. As you can see, very clean. Not the parts, but the frame and the bars at least. It's looking a lot much better than it was before, that's for sure. But yeah, man, like I said, he's gonna love this bike. Keep walking in on me, he liking it already, but I can't wait for it to be complete. Once I get the new plastics, it's gonna look much better. But yeah, man, stay tuned. Tomorrow we're gonna get to work. We got a lot of shit to go do. A lot of stuff to play catch up with, but thanks for watching, man. So we just left the crib. Look at my dude. I just had to go finish putting his bike together. I got as much as I can right now. So we're headed to the paint shop. I'm about to go check out these parts for my boy bike I've been supposed to win and got, but having some little technical difficulties. This guy moved like on the whole other side. So we're literally trying to get all this stuff done and play catch up. So stay tuned. In there getting that silver clean. Come on. Oh, perfect. Damn, this El Camino nice. Got this thing smooth. It's smooth as hell. What color are you doing it? That's gonna be nice. Oh yeah, he gonna like this. This thing is wet. Yeah, motorcycle parts. Damn, Antonio, you did these hella good.